Hi, I'm Dr. A, and I'm here to ask you if you tried documentation, going to HR, or doing the right thing, and it still went nowhere. This message is for you. Some workplaces don't protect you. Some managers target you because they are insecure. Some systems fail you. But here is what they cannot take from you: your mind, your words, your wit. When your supervisor says, "You are too sensitive, try this," is it too sensitive to want basic respect? When they micromanage every move, say this: "Your attention to every step is inspiring." This isn't pretty, it's strategy. You are not playing their game, you are protecting your peace with precision. Because when power won't protect you, language can. Follow for more smart tips from the communication of success, and see you next time.